Welcome to this lecture again. I'm your lecturer Li Jun. Today we are going to continue to talk about scientists, but modern ones. Now let's move on to the next scientist. Do you know what is this? Yes, rice. Rice is one of the main foods in China, especially in the south. Thus, Chinese people have always been researching and developing better and more effective ways of growing rice. And the next scientist is just one of the scientists who have devoted themselves to this great cause. His name is Yuan Longping. Yuan Longping is an educator, agricultural scientist, and the Director General of the National Hybrid Rice Research and Development Center in China. He is honored as the father of hybrid rice, both at home and abroad, due to his extraordinary contribution to the research and development of hybrid rice, and to the selfless technical guidance and assistance he provided for hybrid rice researchers and experts from different countries and regions. Yuan Longping was born in Beijing into poverty-stricken circumstances in 1930 and graduated from the Southwest Agricultural Institute in 1953. Throughout the early part of his career, he served on the faculty of an agricultural school in Anjiang, Hunan Province. In the three-year difficult time from 1959 to 1961, drought, locust, flood, and other natural disasters caused serious damage to agricultural production and people's life, and many people starved to death. Having witnessed some people dying from starvation, Yuan Longping was determined to solve this problem and has ever since dedicated his life to the research and development of hybrid rice. In 1973, with a team of researchers, Yuan succeeded in completing the three-line system to produce commercially viable hybrid rice. In 1987, as a chief scientist, Professor Yuan coordinated the national key project of two-line system hybrid rice, which came to a success in 1995. In 1997, Yuan put forward the theory of super hybrid rice and has ever since led the research and development of super hybrid rice in China. After 4 phases, the rice production of the super hybrid rice program reached 15.39 tons per hectare in Xupu, Hunan Province in 2014. Today, it is estimated that Yuan's hybrid species grow in approximately 50% of the rice fields in China. In particular, his contributions have diminished China's reliance on food imports and assisted areas of the world that are stricken by famine and poverty. In 1979, his findings then were introduced to the United States, which was the first time that intellectual property rights had been transferred from China to the United States. His devotion to the research and development as well as application of hybrid rice has also earned a lot of honors for him. He has been awarded the Grand Prize of State Award for Inventions, which has been the only grand prize awarded up to now. The first State Preeminent Science and Technology Award of China, which was set up in 2000 by the State Council of People's Republic of China to be granted to the scientific and technical workers who have made major breakthroughs in contemporary scientific or technological frontiers that have outstanding achievements in the development of science and technology, or created huge economic or social benefits through scientific and technological innovations, achievements, and high-tech industries, and the Wolf Prize and the World Food Prize, to name just a few. In honor of his contribution and efforts, a minor planet in space, Planet 1996 SD1, numbered 8117, has been named Yuan Longping. In 2014, he was nominated as a candidate for Nobel Peace Prize. In 2019, Yuan Longping, together with 7 others, including Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine winner Tu Youyou, was awarded the Medal of the Republic, which was exemplary representatives of the people, which is actually the highest honor that could be awarded to an individual in China, and is granted to the people who have made outstanding achievements and great contributions to the country. That's all about Yuan Longping. The next one we are going to introduce is Tu Youyou. Tu Youyou is a Chinese pharmaceutical chemist and educator. She is best known for discovering artemisinin, or Qinghao-su, and dihydroartemisinin, used to treat malaria. Her discovery of artemisinin and its treatment of malaria is regarded as a significant breakthrough of tropical medicine in the 20th century and health improvement for people of tropical developing countries in South Asia, Africa, and South America. Tu was born in Ningbo, Zhejiang, China on 30th December 1930. From 1951 to 1955, she studied at the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences of Peking University Medical School, Beijing Medical College. After graduation, Tu worked at the Academy of Traditional Chinese Medicine, now the China Academy of Traditional Chinese Medical Sciences in Beijing. Later, Tu was trained for 2.5 years in traditional Chinese medicine. In early 1969, Tu was appointed head of the Project 523 research group at her institute, thus starting her malaria research. By 1971, her team had made 380 extracts from 200 herbs and discovered the extracts from Qinghao, Artemisia annua, sweet wormwood, looked particularly promising in dramatically inhibiting Plasmodium growth in animals. Inspired by Ge Hong's A Handbook of Prescriptions for Emergencies, or 走后备急方, Tu found the way to extract it, and her innovations boosted the potency and slashed toxicity of this extract. In 1972, she and her colleagues obtained the pure substance and named it Qinghao-su, or artemisinin, as it is commonly called in the West. In 1973, Tu wanted to confirm the carbonyl group in the artemisinin molecule and thus accidentally synthesized dihydroartemisinin, which is far more effective than artemisinin in treating malaria. Her work has since then saved millions of people's lives and also changed the attitude that people, especially Westerners, hold towards traditional Chinese medicine. For her work, Tu received the 2011 Lasker Award in the Clinical Medicine and the 2015 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine jointly with William C. Campbell and Satoshi Omura. Tu is the first Chinese Nobel laureate in physiology or medicine and the first female citizen of the People's Republic of China to receive a Nobel Prize in any category, as well as the first Chinese person to receive the Lasker Award. In 2019, Tu Youyou, together with 7 others, was awarded the Medal of the Republic. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for your attention.